Vybz Kartel had ordered for this dude to get knocked off. And by the way, Vybz Kartel was in jail. But that's how powerful he is. Obviously, Popcaan, knew it after, it came out in trial for these other guys. He's never really spoken on it, though. The guy is saying the only reason why Popcaan is alive is that the police saw that, get out of the line, and we're going to give you a police escort. And that's the only reason why he survived.
Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we will talk about Alkaline run out and respond to Kartel in regards to who's the king of dancehall. Also, DJ Akademiks confirming Kartel sent out hit bomb Popcaan over Shorty. Yeah, man, it's going to be a very interesting video, so make sure you stick around for that. But before we jump into the video, I would appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Also, subscribe to the channel if it's your first time watching, so that way you don't miss out on the latest updates. So stay tuned. So Vybz Kartel is free and everybody has talked about it at pan and internet worldwide scene. And everybody did already say Kartel is the king of dancehall. But while he was in jail, you figure the young youths then in props. Alkaline, Massacre, Popcaan, Valiant, even Roger Weil and Craft them did do them thing. And Kartel did he never specifically big up anybody but watch a Skilly Bang too. He never specifically called nobody, but he said the young youths them do them thing, right? So Alkaline had a show with Roger Weil and Craft at Trinidad with you, and he run out on the stage and he said this regarding to Kartel being the king of dancehall. Listen up. Wanna say then Vendetta fan and Gaza fan. Are you ready for you are? Part 3 this enough. Remember they already did splash when Kartel in a jail. So if him come out, this would be epic. Yeah man, me excited. This would be interesting. So anyway, there was a video of Popcaan allegedly dating Shorty going around last year, but me see, but me never believe it. I'm the fuck I hear me never see the video. So look at this clip of this lady. She in a mask. We show you how she afraid to confirm the story. She cover herself in a mask. And I said Popcaan and Shorty did a sex, and that's why Kartel did take with the car from her and kick her out. So listen to this now.
I not say it for reach her, but back pan Papi. All Papi got a statue, Kartel a free Shorty hard for Popcaan,
Wait. So, Shorty and...
You there with Popcaan.
Wait, Jesus. Me not take this tea. Me not.
Yeah, man. Shorty did a trouble Popcaan. Popcaan that trouble Shorty.
Trouble did they?
Yeah, that's why Kartel take her out of the car and now see her the house.
What? Repeat that.
That's why Kartel take her out of the car. When she drive out the car and him send feed, now the house she gone out of.
All of these things are allegedly. All of these things are hearsay. But when you know, girl coming a full mask,
Yeah.
you know, say, and she have a briefcase.
We not talk, we not go so.
We don't talk, we don't go so. What you think about wifey? How she look?
As them say Kartel want green papers when he come.
Yeah, so that's the interview I was talking about. I saw that, but me never believe. Now, last time, I see this on King Mix-Up page where DJ Akademiks, if you don't know him is a popular internet gamer, I think. And him and Drake, them link all the while. So Drake link with Popcaan. So it's funny how he come out and I say, no outcome, Kartel would have had Popcaan Peninsula or something like in that say, no outcome, Popcaan and Kartel still cool when Kartel tried to kill him over, Shorty. But listen to what I say and tell me what I think.
But they're saying that Vybz Kartel ordered for him to get killed that night. So there's a car who kind of hops out behind him. However, in Jamaica, it's different than, like, I don't know if I live in, New Jersey, like if you're in a heavy city area, there's mad roads, like, it's like fucking intersection after intersection. A lot of times there's like one main road in Jamaica. You get what I'm saying? There's not like 4 roads intersecting constantly. So this clogged up with cars and buses and taxis that's taking people from this event. So Popcaan is sitting in traffic, right? And yes, even the superstar, he's sitting in traffic. The guys who want to kill him is right behind him, right? They're not going to just kill him right then because they also want to make sure they get away, but they're right behind. They're tailing him like good. No matter how long we take to get out of this bottleneck, we going to kill this nigga. And apparently the guy is saying the only reason why Popcaan is alive is that the police saw that the artist, who obviously is a high profile guy in Jamaica, was like, yo, get out of the line and we're going to give you a police escort. And that's the only reason why he survived. That's allegedly the story, which I'm going to be honest with you. That story would have me shook. I wouldn't want to have nothing to do with a motherfucker who was trying to do some shit like that. Crazy kind of shit. So I guess I say when Drake posted, yo, free World Boss, or like World Boss free. Obviously everybody who loves Jamaican music loves Kartel. But I do wonder, and if you have to be Jamaican to notice, it's kind of like understood that possibly Vybz Kartel had ordered for this dude to get knocked off. And by the way, Vybz Kartel was in jail, but that's how powerful he is. Obviously, Popcaan, knew it after, it came out in trial for these other guys. He's never really spoken on it though. And it's one of those things where Vybz Kartel is so popular that I'm going to be honest with you, Jamaica could see 1,000 dead people and you could see Kartel with a smoking gun and Jamaica's going to be like, all right, they must have did something. All right, Kartel, next song. Let's hear the music. They love the nigga that much.
Allegedly, this is what he said. I don't know if it's true. It's just funny how he resurfaced because that was what was being said on Shelly Karan's show. And then this nigga bring up it. Me no know how he hear that. Because remember say, him a link with OVO, which is Drake link with Popcaan. I also saw this, Vybz Kartel, they posted last year too, where I say, if your woman gives a man the power to say, me F him girl, she a rubbish. Throw her in the trash and call solid waste management. If you don't know, you don't know, but if you know, she must go. So as you can see, Kartel did a throw shade. So who else but Shorty, because I couldn't see them at the time. You understand? So that made me wonder what go on. But anyway, tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Where the Anthony Miller did drop an interview and he hinted at the end of the video that, the viral video with Kartel, I rush up see them. And Kartel address Anthony Miller and, on the situation. But before we jump into the click, I would really appreciate if you guys leave a like on this video and also subscribe to the channel if it's your first time watching. That way you don't miss out on the latest updates. You understand? So listen to this.
I'm not saying anything.
Babes, me can't do a video in peace.
You know you can't.
Shut your dick. Anthony Miller, I see you show a piece of the video where me a wild up see them. Don't make she tricky, yeah?
What?
You saying she get mad? She a throw a pot. She a throw a plate.
Aye.
She a throw a spoon.
Uh-huh.
She a throw the little plastic fork them. She a throw a napkin. Nobody pay no mind. I'm a little terrorist.
Even for you, innit?
You can't throw me. Go on where I go. I'm out.
That's it for now, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, like the video, and share. See you next time. Bye.